Draw the first line. Let's just start drawing the center line and then the other edge of the road. Basically, we are doing the same trick, and we're gonna go over here. Let me just delete this beautiful room and then start over drawing them. So I start with the polyline, and I'm gonna use that point as my reference. I know the center line is 10 feet apart from that point, and then I'm gonna go here. I know that this is gonna be 270 this time. Okay, and we're gonna go all the way up, and we're gonna find that point, which is gonna be 220 from that corner. So this is gonna be my second point. Now I need to draw the other line here. So I'm gonna go over polyline again, and this time I started from here. I'm gonna separate that 10 feet, and I'm gonna go all the way down, and this time it's gonna be from the edge of the property, right? So if I go back here, you see it's just, oh no, it's a start from the edge of the other road. So let's get to the edge of this road here, and then let's move that one 40 feet. Okay, 40 feet from that side. So I have this, and then I have the road 20 feet apart. So let's go and do that, 20 feet apart from that. So polyline, I don't want to type that again, so I just press a space. Let's bring that command again, starting from that endpoint, 20 feet apart, and here it's going to be ended, and then all the way going all the way down. That's good. Let's go with the same distance. So I'm going to go with 40, and then let me grab this and put it this side so it's not interfering with our drawing. And then put this here. Okay, better. So then again, polyline here, and then we started from this side, and we're going to go with 20 feet from that side. And this goes all the way to the end, and here we go. So everything is completed. But as you can see, I add only maybe six or seven items here, and all of a sudden I can't distinguish anything from each other. You know, it's all in one layer, it's all in one color, and unless someone tells me what it is, it's very hard to understand what's happening. I mean, the person who draw it basically. So you made this mistake, I made this mistake many times in my work, that I draw something, it's not in the right layer that I did, and drawing it over, it's not an option. So how we can change that layer properties of an object? There are multiple ways to do that. One way is that I select that object, and then top down menu in the layer settings, I open up the drop down menu, and I will use like appropriate layer, which is here is the solid. So I'm going to select solid. So this is one way of doing that. The other way, which is not different, is that I select all of them. So this is basically the same thing as to going it from here. So I can go over here again and then change it to solid. It's all gonna be solid. The other way is that I can use the property, and from the property I can change, like for example, the layer, general setting layer, and I'm gonna change that one to solid. So I can change multiple objects same time, or one object at the same time. So then the last one is the center line. So I'm going to select the center line, and it's going to be that. And then let's change the properties in the right place. So everything is in the right layer. Now, if I look at it, I can kind of guess where is what and what is what, and I distinguish different objects from each other. Now let's just start the last piece here, which is basically the buildings and the septic fields. Based on